interesting trends. But for the moment, let me see if I can spot the first rates here. And the first rates here really has to be a combination of, I would say, pharmaceuticals largely. And then let's see where pharma and let's see where metals as a category have really moved in last 1 week. So Yes Bank is off to another good start. You got an uptick which is clearly there in ICICI Bank is the one which I wanted to point out. It really reversed post numbers, but now that fund capital allocation is over, they stand at 370. You got an uptick of about ₹1 plus on BEL. Okay, from there, if I just move down and just focus in on what's happening to some of the top traded counters, well, some of the top traded counters, Titan is down and reacting to numbers. It's fallen on strong volumes. Reliance is flat. You got Cipla, which is absolutely flat, and then Tata Motors is picking it up from where it left yesterday. So it's a good market. Banks are the ones which are looking stable, and for investors of ICICI Bank, surely they are breathing a sigh of relief now that large part of the fundraising activity is behind them.
Yeah, just some other names which are active, and I just want to, get your status check on where some of the stocks were yesterday and whether or not you're seeing a follow through there. Divi's Labs, of course, after that over 12% notch up that you saw in the stock price. Let's revisit that name. And then, of course, BEL, Cipla, Lupin. These were your big winners in trade yesterday. And whether or not they're seeing a follow through or not, that will just come up for you on your screens. Divi's, BEL, Cipla, as well as Lupin. I also want to check in on what Titan is up to. Quite a fireworks-filled conference call is what you had, with a lot of marquee investors as well logging in for the con call. We're going to play a snapshot of that in just a short while from now, again on the show. So just want to see what Titan as well is up to. And then Shree Cement, that also should be seeing an earnings reaction. Lupin starts off quiet. Titan is actually seeing a bit of a slip down. 3% lower, 1077 is where you're currently at for Titan. And let's just revisit what an ICICI Bank is up to as well post the QIP. That stock will just come up for you on your screens next. CK, comfortable start, I guess. No reason to complain. I mean, it's a solid 300-point move that you're seeing on the Nifty, on the Sensex, I beg your pardon.